Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Maunika from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Department of Basic Science, pursuing Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about Python data types, functions, exception handling, short program on guess the number. Python data types are used to define the type of a variable. It defines what type of data type we are going to store in a variable. The data stored in a memory can be of many types. Python data types: numerical, dictionary, Boolean, set, sequence type. Numerical is subdivided into three types: integer, complex number, float. Sequence type is subdivided into three types: strings, list, tuple. First, numeric data type. In Python, data with numeric value is represented by numeric data type. Python programming language supports four different numerical types: int, signed integers, long integers. They can also be represented by octal and hexadecimal, float, floating point real values, complex number. Program a is equals to 5, print type of a, type A, output type of A is class integer. A is an integer, so it prints the output as class int. Second, string data type. A group of one or more characters enclosed in a single, double, or triple quote is called string in Python. A character in Python is just a string with a length of 1. There is no character data type. The string class is used to represent it. Program. String is equals to hello world. Print string means it prints the complete string. Print str0, it prints first character of the string. Output hello world and H. Third, list data type. Python list is an arranged grouping of same or dissimilar elements that are enclosed by bracket and separated by commas. Use the index number to retrieve the list entries. To access a particular item in list, use the index operator. Program list is equals to abcd, 786, 2.23, scholar hat, 70.2. Print list prints the complete list. Print list of 0. Print first element of the list. Output ABCD, 786, 2.23, scholar hat, 70.2 and ABCD. Fourth, tuple data type. A tuple in Python is an ordered list of elements just like a bit of body text. Once created, tuples cannot be changed. In Python, items of a tuple are stored using parentheses. Program tuple is equals to abcd, 786, 2.23, scholar hat, 70.2. Print tuple 1 is to 3. Prints element of tuple starting from second till third. Output 786, 2.23. Fifth, range data type. Range in Python is a built-in function that returns a series of numbers that begin at 0 and increase by 1 until they reach a predetermined number. Utilizing a for and while loop in Python, we use the range method to product a series of numbers. Program for range data type. For I in range 1, 5, print I, output 1, 2, 3, 4. Sixth, dictionary data type. A Python's dictionary is an unordered collection of data values that is used to store data values in map-like fashion bit of a body text. In a dictionary, a colon separates each key value pair while a comma separates each key. A dictionary in Python can be made by enclosing a list of elements in curly braces and separating them with commas. Program dictionary 1 is equals to this is 1. Dictionary 2 is equals to this is 2. Print dictionary of 1. Output this is 1. Seventh, Boolean data type. One of the built-in data types in Python is the Boolean type, which can represent either true or false. Program A is equals to true. Display the value of A. Print A. Display the data type of A. Print type A. Output true. 8. Python set data type. A set is an unsorted collection of distinct components. This means that set of elements cannot be repeated and the order in which they are kept is irrelevant. Sets are changeable, which means that after they are constructed, their elements can be added or withdrawn. A set's element, on the other hand, cannot be modified in place. Curly braces are used to define sets. Program my set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print my set output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we are going to discuss about Python functions. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task whenever it is called. There are two types of functions: built-in function, user-defined function. Program to understand function. Define greet of name, return hello plus name plus print greet of John, output hello John. In this example, greet is a function that takes one parameter name and returns a greeting message. You can call this function with different name to get different greetings. Def add x comma y. Def define keywords, add function name, x comma y function arguments inside, colon ends the function definition, return x plus y function return statement, print f of arguments are x and y, return x plus y are the function code. First, built-in functions. These functions are defined and pre-coded in Python. Some example of built-in functions are as follows: min, max, len, sum, type, range, dictionary, list, tuple, set, print, etc. Second, user-defined function. We can create function to perform specific task as per our needs. Such functions are called user-defined function. Syntax: define function name bracket parameters, code and statements. Calling a function. To call a function, use the function name followed by parentheses. Program define my function, print hello from a function, my function, output hello from a function. Arguments in Python to know. First, default arguments in Python. Default arguments are the values that are provided while defining function. Define add a comma b is equal to 5 comma c is equal to 10. Return a plus b plus c. Print add 3. Output 18. We give 3 to the value a. Second, keyword arguments in Python. Function can also be called using keyword argument of the form keyword argument is equals to value. Example, define add a comma b is equal to 5 comma c is equal to 10. Return a plus b plus c. Print add b is equal to 10 comma c is equal to 15 comma a is equal to 20. Output is equal to 45. Third, positional arguments. Positional arguments are those arguments where value get assigned to the arguments by their position when the function is called. Example, define add a comma b. Print a minus b. Add 50 comma 10. Output 40. Means 50 minus 10 is equals to 40. 4. Variable length arguments. In Python, sometimes there is a situation where we need to pass multiple arguments to the function. Such type of arguments are called arbitrary arguments or variable length arguments. Example, define percentage subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. Average is equals to subject 1 plus subject 2 plus subject 3 divided by 3. Print average percentage 56, 61, 73. Output 63.33. Add all three subject marks and divide by 3, you will get the output as 63.33. What is exception handling in Python? An occurrence that arises during the execution of program and disrupts its normal flow is referred to as an exception. To safeguard your program from the abrupt termination, Python generates exception during program execution. Common example of exception: division by zero, accessing a file that does not exist. Why should you use exception? Exception handling in Python allows you to separate error handling code from normal code. An exception is a Python object which represents an error. As with the code comments, exception help you to remind yourself of what the program expects. Example: exception handling using try except. X is equals to 8, y is equal to 0, try block, print x by y, except exception, except block, print given number cannot be divided by 0, write the message for the user, print end, output given number cannot be divided by 0. Explanation: in the example, we are trying to divide a number by 0. Here, this code generates an exception. To handle the exception, we have to put code result is equal to numerator by denominator inside the try block. Now, when the exception occurs, the rest of the code inside the try block is skipped. The except block catches the exception and statement inside the except block are executed. If none of the statement in the try block generates an exception, the except block is skipped. It is a program on a guess the number game. Import random num is equals to random dot rand int of 1 comma 10. Guess is equals to none, while guess not equal to num. Guess is equals to input of guess a number between 1 and 10. Guess is equals to int of guess. If guess is equals to num, print congratulations you won, break, else print nope, sorry, try again. It is a game on guess the number. You can give any values. If your number is equals to guess number, it gives congratulations you won. Otherwise, it prints nope, sorry, try again. Thank you. Like and subscribe my YouTube video.